Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making chicken and dumplings. It's really easy. It's a family staple. It is my most requested recipe from my friends and family. Here's how. Alright, we start off with chicken, and I'm using chicken breast. I'm going to take off some of the fat that's on the chicken, and then we're gonna put it in the pan. Alright, to start with, what we're gonna do is we are going to warm up the pan, and we're gonna turn it on to about a medium high, more of a medium. I'm gonna take just a little bit of oil, pour it in. I want this to heat up until it almost smokes, and then we're going to add our chicken. Now this pan will take a few minutes to warm up. While our pan is warming up, we're going to start chopping up our celery, our carrots, and our onions. And I'm not doing a small piece, I'm doing bigger chunks. I like it a little more hearty. And it's very easy to do. I don't always do my onions the way everybody else does, so we're just trying to make them just chunked up. Okay, and I do want garlic in this, so I have this little handy gadget. I love this thing. And your garlic comes out nice and clean. What we're going to do is cut the ends. And I'm going to crush it. Pan is starting to smoke, so I'm going to turn on the vent. And what I want to do is start with putting in the chicken. I'm putting it breast side down. And like I said, we want to make sure that this is on a medium high. After a few minutes, you're going to have a nice golden brown color developing on your chicken. And at this point, we can take it out. We can start taking it out. Now we're going to add butter. And the little brown bits on the bottom are fine. You want that. You don't want your butter to burn. So what we're going to do is add our vegetables. And I'm adding in the celery, carrots, onions, and garlic. We're just going to stir this around for a minute or two. Try to get up some of the brown bits on the bottom. We don't want our vegetables to burn, but we do want to pick up some of the bits of chicken and the brown bits on the bottom. Add about a 1/4 cup of flour. And we're just gonna stir this in. You want to make sure your vegetables are coated with the flour. Not adding any salt at this point because the broth that we're going to put in will have enough salt in it. Alright, so now I'm going to add my chicken broth. And I'm adding a whole carton of chicken broth. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of Better Than Bouillon vegetable broth. To my mix, I'm going to add pepper, my most important ingredient is right here. This is poultry seasoning, and I just use a pinch, and then bay leaves. I've added 3 bay leaves, and what I'm going to do is just stir it around. We have our stove on medium, and what I'm going to do is place my chicken in the broth and vegetables. Now I'm going to cook this covered for about an hour. We'll see in a minute. Okay, so we're about halfway right now. What I want to do is I want to take the lid off. Now we're going to stir it a little bit. So it's time to check our chicken to see if it's done. What I'm going to do is try to, break apart a piece of chicken. And there you go. So I'm going to turn off the stove. Bring my pot over. And start taking out the chicken. Now I'm going to take and just chop up the chicken. I want it in bigger pieces. So we're just going to chunk it up this way. I'm going to be adding the chicken back into the pot. Want to turn it on low. Then we're going to give it a stir. Okay, we're going to put the lid back on. We want it to come to a nice boil now. Okay, while we're waiting for our chicken to boil, we're going to make up our dumpling mix, which is going to be very easy. So what we're going to do is 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. And that's about 2 cups. We're going to add milk. We're going to add 4 teaspoons of baking powder. We're going to add a little bit of salt, and we're going to mix it up. Now this is going to be kind of a wet mix. So you want anywhere between a cup and a half of milk, You might need a little more, so just keep adding. Because what you want is a little thicker than pancake mix and a little less than oatmeal. And that is just perfect. And this is what it'll look like. Kind of a blobby mess. I'm gonna do it like I always do it. We cover it and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. All right, I think it's ready. Let's dish it up and see how it looks. Oh. Let's see how these dumplings turned out. Oh, look at that. Nice and flaky. That is completely cooked. And there you go. Beautiful chicken and dumplings. Here you have it. Chicken and dumplings, a very easy recipe. I hope you enjoy. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, ring the bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time. Bye!